Awesome.
I'm them on my bag.
So how do you like put them on?
Very easy. Very easy. I'll show you.
Right?
Yeah. You want to try it on?
Yeah, sure.
So I'll show you how it is.
Wait, can I choose one?
Yeah, pick your bench.
Oh my god, I love this shake. Awesome.
Yeah, on the back. Let's get shaky.
Yeah.
So where do you want it?
You're the back. On the back. Definitely like this. Because that looks so cool.
Yes. So I'll show you how to do this now.
Yeah.
Cool. So you place it wherever you want. Okay. You need a hot box. And a box. Just place it here. Press it and keep ironing for.
That's it.
That's it.
That's pretty simple actually. So and these are like really fashionable right now.
That's totally.
This, yeah.
So place it.
Yeah, just
Press that.
okay.